This soap today we are making is a soap that you can use for your kids if you are this type of person that your kids have lost their color. If your kids have lost their color, their natural color, okay, this soap is going to help in restoring back their natural color. All right, it's going to restore back their color, guys. This soap is the boom, is good, is very good. It's going to give your kids a very uniform skin, clear their dark spots, clear their skin, help them unify their skin and brighten up their skin, guys. And we're using natural ingredients, okay. Just I'm going to walk you through the ingredients and every other things we're going to use for this formulation. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are most welcome. You're welcome to the family. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for always returning back to this channel. God bless you all. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Vivian Arus, the founder of Olivine Organic Skincare. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys, yeah, the title might be funny, yeah. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make your kids Molato kid fruit soap, yes, or Kiddies Molato fruit soap or fruit soap, anyhow you want to call it, guys. Yeah, I keep on getting a requested this video basically is requested video, okay. I keep on getting some messages from my DM that mothers keep on telling me that their kids, they have lost their color and all the rest, and what they can use, the cream they can use to restore back the color of their kids, guys. And I said no, 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 it's better you make a good soap for your kids than use mild moisturizer or a body butter for your kids, okay. I prefer it that way. But the soap we're making today, believe me guys, it's not soap that is going to spoil your kids skin. It's not a soap that is going to bleach their skin. This soap is going to brighten their skin. It's not going to bleach their skin. It's going to brighten them in a flawless way, okay, and in a very natural way. If you want your kids to have that natural look, this soap today we are making is a soap that you can use for your kids if you are this type of person that your kids have lost their color. If your kids have lost their color, their natural color, okay, this soap is going to help in restoring back their natural color. All right, it's going to restore back their color, guys. This soap is the boom, is good, is very good. It's going to give your kids a very uniform skin, clear their dark spots, clear their skin, help them unify their skin and brighten up their skin, guys. And we're using natural ingredients, okay. Just I'm going to walk you through the ingredients and every other things we're going to use for these formulations. Yeah, what I have in here, I have this soap here, this soap, this nature feel savon the beauty la papaya, that is the French version of it. This other side, so yeah, this nature feel beauty soap papaya plus, okay. This soap is so good. This is children, is for babies, okay. This soap is so good. This soap clears the kids skin like crazy. All right, it contains papaya extract, soap base, distilled water, glycerin, shea butter, papaya fragrance, and orange color. This soap basically is this color, is this orange color. This soap here is so very lovely. So the next we're going to be using is our Kings and Things clinical mild soap proven, okay. This is a moisturizing milk soap, soft and natural and nourishing. This soap is so good, so good. This soap makes the kids' skin looks like milk, like give them that milk texture and a very good and a flawless glow. Believe me, guys. The next soap I have in here is my Nasil Saran. My camera is not focusing, like, okay. Nasil baby soap with aloe vera, blood vitamin E for baby. This soap is so good, like This soap is so it doesn't bleach the skin. It gives that baby a very smooth and a very uniformed skin glow, guys. This soap is so good. This nursing soap, it's made with honey and aloe vera. It's a very good soap. So these are the three soap I have in here, guys. We are going to use it as our base soap. So guys, I'm going to be adding my powders now. Okay, I have in here my milk powder, my goat milk powder, but you can use normal milk powder if you're not able to do it, because original goat milk powder is very expensive. This is my goat milk powder. You can use normal maybe powdered milk, loyal powdered milk, or pig milk, all right, for this procedure. Okay, and the milk powder I added this was 2 tablespoons. This, so yeah, if you're using normal milk, you can use 2 sachets of your milk. Okay, this is my oats powder. All right, this my oat powder. So I've added in my oat powder. The next powder I'm going to add is my rice powder. These are 1 tablespoon of my rice powder. My milk powder was 2 tablespoons, then oats powder and rice powder one tablespoon. So guys, the next powder I'm going to be adding is my licorice powder. This powder brightens the skin so much. This powder, licorice powder, these licorice roots, licorice powder and rice powder brightens the skin a whole lot, guys. This natural skin brightener. Okay, and the soaps, guys, sorry, the soaps I added, I used the soap, two pieces of the soaps. Okay, the soaps I shrink here, two pieces. So guys, the next powder I'm going to be adding is my sulfur powder. This sulfur powder is going to clear their skin. It's going to take off scratches from their skin spots, and also it's going to help in brightening up their skin as well. So that's our sulfur powder. The next powder I'm going to be adding is my neem powder. This is a treatment powder that will take black spots, all those like antiseptic powder, guys. These powders are lovely. If you want to know more, just browse about this powder, but I don't want to prolong this video. Guys, the next powder I'm going to be using is our turmeric. Wow, you guys know that turmeric is a very good brightening powder, sorry. So guys, next I want to be adding my shea butter. This original shea butter. When you buy it, please never to get yours. Just a tablespoon of your shea butter to moisturize. I want this soap to be so moisturizing, okay, on their skin, guys. So guys, I'm going to be adding our oils now. The next oil I'm going to be I'll add this olive oil. This is original. Sorry guys, olive oil. This is original olive oil. When getting olive oil, please endeavor to get the original one, please. So I'm going to be adding that to this. Adding 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. This is going to add a very good moisture to the skin. Okay, this soap is going to moisturize their skin a whole lot. So the next I'm going to be adding is I'm going to be adding my DIY carrot and avocado and turmeric oil. Okay, I'll be adding that to the mixture. That is 15 ml of that. If you don't have your DIY, you can make it yourself, or you can as well buy carrots, then avocado oil, and add to the mixture. Carrot and avocado is very important for this formulation. It's going to help in shielding their face and their body, then brighten their skin as well. So the next I'm going to be adding my almond oil. It will help in moisturizing and glowing their skin, guys. Adding 1 tablespoon of that. It's almost 15 ml of that. Okay, so guys, next I'm going to be adding my jojoba oil. One tablespoon of it. So guys, next I'm going to be adding my vitamin E oil. This is my 10 ml of my vitamin E oil. Added it to the mixture. Yeah. So guys, no, we all know that we're making a fruit soup, guys. So this in here I have my blended fruits, mixture of my carrot and cucumber. I'm going to be adding this to the mixture. I've added in my fruits to the mixture. Then I'm going to be adding a little bit of my rose water and glycerin, okay, to this mixture to water it down. I will not add. I will need to turn it first. Guys, this soap is going to glue the children's skin, brighten their skin. You all know all the ingredients we use in making this soap, that they are natural, but they are natural brightening powders or lightening powders. Okay, it's not going to spoil their skin, it's going to give them a flawless glow. All right, I need to turn this soap now and we'll be right back. Guys, before I turn this soap, I need to add my aloe vera gel. Okay, it's going to suit their skin. Going to add as a soothing agent to this soap. This is okay. This is okay. Let's turn this. Guys, I'm going to be adding, I've finished turning this. I'm going to be adding my preservative now. 5 ml of my preservative to this mixture. Then I'll add my propylene glycol. 5 ml. 5 ml of my glycol. That is propylene glycol. Yeah, okay. This rose water I added in half. I later added in half of this. Okay, like I used half of this rose water, that is 100 ml, to these formulations, guys. I'm going to turn this and then store this for 3 days. Then I'll show you guys the outcome. Okay, this soap is so good. Like, oh my god. If you have not subscribed to this, and please consider subscribing to this channel, like and turn your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel. Okay guys, this is the outcome of our Molato Kiddies fruity soap, guys. Yes, this soap is so amazing. This soap in their skin, it will be so amazing. I just finished blending this soap now. This is the outcome. This is the finished look. The face is looking so beautiful. Like, seriously, the face is looking so beautiful. This is how you make yours as well. This soap is going to clear their skin, give them a spotless and a unified and a brightened skin. Like, seriously, it's not going to bleach them. You know, all the ingredients we use in making this soap are so natural. They're all natural ingredients and natural lightening powders that is also suitable for kids. All right, guys, this is basically for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a good thumbs up, like and share my video, and also turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel, guys. See you guys next in my next video. Bye bye. This soap is going to give you flawless skin, glow your children's skin, give you that glowing, shiny, and also it's going to take off dark spots, unifies the skin. Yes, give them that uniform skin tone. Okay, this soap is the bomb.